So the too long didn't watch version is just good night, always means goodbye, and anything else like good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, these all mean hello. So this is a mistake I see a lot of non-native speakers make, or they're just confused about it. So basically they learn good morning, good afternoon, and I think in other languages, those all mean hello. So if I walk up to you and it's light out like this, I might say good day. That's pretty old. No one really says that anymore. So just choose good morning if it's morning, good afternoon if it's after 12 o'clock noon, and good evening if even if it's already dark, you still say good evening, because good night always means goodbye. So if you're leaving a party, you tell everyone good night. Or if you have roommates and you're going to bed, or telling your family like good night, that means goodbye, I'm going to bed. And say your roommate has a weird sleep cycle and they're going to bed in the middle of the day, you would still say good night to them right before they go to bed. And they might chuckle a little bit because it's not night and you're saying good night. So it's kind of like a little play on words or a pun. Anyway, so good night always means goodbye. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, even good day, but don't use that one. They all mean hello.